What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Cora, and I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I lay my edges. I do get a lot of questions, and a lot of people ask me how do I do them, what do I use to make it stay. So I'm just gonna be showing y'all the two products that I use for my edges. Is really simple. It's nothing extravagant, but I do use things that are an extra hold. So if you have thin edges or you don't like that extra hold on your edges, you don't have to use what I use, but my hair poops up at any time. My edges will not stay down because of humidity, especially when it's like a rainy day and it's getting into the springtime, summertime. So I'm gonna show y'all what I use through all the seasons to make sure my hair stays laid. Okay, so this is what they look like now. I have my hair done. I just didn't do my edges so that I can show y'all, and bear with me, my skin is breaking out a little bit, so if you see it, ignore it. All right, so since my hair is already done, my edges are a little dry, so I'm just gonna spray them with this leave-in conditioner mist from Cantu. I ain't gonna do too much because then they won't stay down. So I'm just gonna wet them a little bit. And bear with me because I never do my edges in no camera. I always am in front of a mirror. So okay. So they are wet now. And then I'm just gonna touch them up with this extreme, extreme wet line. I used to use Eco Styler, but Eco Styler is way too strong, and it's too strong of a hold, so it breaks my hair off. And I'm not really a fan of Eco Styler anymore, especially because all of the flaky residue that it leaves once your hair is dry, I don't really like that. So I switched to extreme wet line, and it has done me good thus far. So just gonna take a little bit of that, put it on there. Put it on this one. All right, and then what I use to to have them stick, is I use this Gorilla Glue, and it's the right one. It's not the one that other girl used. It's the Gorilla Snot Glue. Okay, but let me just shape them first. Well, this one I'm gonna need to, what's the name for that? And this is just me shaping them to get them how I want before I put the glue on there. Now you can use just a brush, but sometimes I like the extra look, so I'll go in with my rat tail comb. Now it's broken, take care of problems, so now these aren't going to be to the T because I don't normally do them with a scarf on, so it's gonna be preventing me from doing it how I'm used to. So just to give them a little shape, and now I'm gonna go in with my Gorilla Glue. sometimes to give it more of a shape, I will go in with this and just do it like that. I don't really know how to explain this, but this, but I can't really see how I'm doing them. So this is what they look like. Hopefully they look right. All right. I'm gonna pause the video real quick so I can go look in my mirror to make sure they're done right. All right, so now that they're done, this is what they look like. And now I'm just gonna wrap my scarf. So excuse my raggedy black scarf. I'm about to get a new one. If you see some holes, then oh well. Okay, and that is the finished look. Y'all see my edges? Y'all saw what I used. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me at Quora Evans and follow me on my business page at Vain Beauty Cosmetics. And make sure you go check out my website at vainbeautycosmetics.com. And I'm out.